Hello, lively eagles. This week, your assignment is to reply to my discussion that I have started in this little tab over here named Discussions. When you click on Discussions, this will pop up and it says, we must make good choices every day to make sure we are healthy. Some of the things I do to ensure a healthy lifestyle are to eat my vegetables every day, exercise often, and get plenty of sleep. Let me know 2 things that come to your mind when you think of a healthy lifestyle. So here, there's a button that says reply. When you click on it, it'll give you some options on formatting, but just click in the box here and you're going to do complete sentences on how you keep a healthy lifestyle. So for example, you can write, when I think of a healthy lifestyle, I automatically think of moving and being outside often, as well as eating healthy food. See, I have added 2 ideas, moving and being outside as exercise, and also eating. So that will qualify as 2 things, almost 3, that came to my mind. Then I would say post reply. Clink. Once you do that and I can see that you have added your discussion, that is your assignment for the week. Pretty simple. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye guys.